Okay, so once you've put the front plate onto the rods, you just want to check, make sure there's no twist. You can see right here, there's a little bit of a twist in the how they're lined up. So you're going to try and correct for that. Just put a bit of weight on it.
Hysteresis.
You want to make sure that you allow for any springing back in the rods. You can see there that it sits quite flush with the desk. And you take this, flip it over, take this plate with the metal lugs facing up, align them so that the bushings are a few millimeters from the edges of the plate, and from there we'll be able to glue it all together. Okay, so once you've aligned the rods, made sure they're central in the plate, you're going to mix equal parts of the two epoxy. So we've got here total about 2.5 mils in a mixing cup. Got to mix that together really well. And then I'm going to take that on the end of the pop stick and dab it into the side of the bushings, making sure that we don't get any on the steel rod behind. Is that enough?
Mm-hmm. You can probably a little more on the next one when we come back.
So we're going to do the 4 outsides of the bushings. That way we can check the alignment before we come back and add it to the inside as required.